Hello, excuse me.
Hi.
So I just checked into my room and there's a couple of problems. I wanted a non-smoking room, but it smells like cigarettes in there.
Oh.
And the AC also doesn't work.
Oh no, okay. I'll just switch you to another room.
Wonderful.
Can I have your name, please?
Yes, Maguire, Maguire.
Okay, and can I see your room key?
Yes.
Thank you. Alright. Yes, so you're in just a standard double room.
Correct.
Yeah, we have plenty open. Is the 5th floor okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, okay, so we'll move you to the 5th floor. Let's see, room 505. Okay, this one should work there.
Thank you. And sorry to be so much trouble, but do you by any chance have a humidifier? The air is really dry and like messing with my throat.
Oh, let me see. Sometimes we have some available. Oh, okay. Yes, we can send it up in just a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you very much.